Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are well and taking good care of your health. Welcome in my class. This is Anubha Chauhan. Your EVS teacher is going to start today's class. Today we are going to continue Unit 2, Family and Friends, Chapter 8, People Who Help Us. And today's topics are teacher, doctor, barber, postman, milkman, soldier and gardener. Cobbler, sweeper, police, watchman and tailor. These are today's topic. When we learn this chapter, we will learn some keywords, and these keywords are teacher, doctor, barber, postman, milkman, soldier, gardener, cobbler, sweeper, police, watchman and tailor. These are the keywords, means we will learn the spellings of, we will learn to read and write the spellings of these words. This is your EVS book, I Care. This is chapter 8, People Who Help Us. Now first of all, you know that when we start our new chapter, we do the warm-up exercise. So let us read. Look at the pictures given below and tick under the things you can do yourself. Look at the pictures. There are 4 pictures. 4 scenes are given here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scenes are given here. You have to find out the things you can do. This is the first picture. This picture is showing that a child is sick. Now tell me, can you take medicines and treat yourself? No, you cannot do on your own. You have to take someone's help. This picture is showing that the child is eating food. Can you cook food for yourself? No, you cannot. So you have to take the help of any other. In this picture shows that the child is reading or writing something. So can you tell me, can you do this work on your own? Yes, you can do your reading and writing on your own. See this picture. This picture is showing that the child needs to cut his hair. So, can you cut your hair? No, you don't cut it. So, out of 4 things, you can do only the studies. Means you can do reading and writing on your own. So, you have to pick this picture only. And for other works, you have to go to someone else. Today, we will see who help us in our daily life. We cannot do everything by ourselves. So, there are many people who help us in our daily life. Now, let us see who help us in our daily life. See the picture and tell me, who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. How does a teacher help you? A teacher helps us to learn new things at school. He or she helps us to read and write. Who is he? Can you tell me, who is he? He is a doctor. Who gives medicines when you are sick? Yes, you go to the doctor when you are sick. So, what is the role of a doctor in our life? A doctor takes care of our health. He or she helps us to stay fit. See the picture and tell me, who is he? See the picture. Yes, in this picture you can see that a man is cutting the hair. He is a barber. How does a barber help us? So, a barber cuts our hair. He helps us to look good. Look the picture and tell me, who is he? Have you ever seen this person? Yes, this is a postman. And what is the role of a postman in our daily life? So, a postman brings our letters and parcels from the post office. When our relatives are very far from us, they send us the letter and parcels, and this man brings letters and parcels to us. See the picture and tell me, who is he? Yes, he is taking out the milk from cow. He is a milkman. Milk is very important for our body. We all like to drink milk. So, a milkman brings milk for us. See the picture and tell me, who is he? He is a soldier. And what is the role of a soldier? A soldier protects our country. He keeps our country safe. We should always respect him. See the picture and tell me, who is he? Here you can see that he is taking care of plants. So, he is a gardener. How does a gardener help us? A gardener takes care of our garden. He makes our garden looks beautiful. Have you seen the gardeners in your school? Yes, you have seen the gardeners in your school. They maintain our school garden. They cut extra grass. They cut the long trees. They give water to the plants. In this way, they maintain our school garden. Now see the picture and tell me, who is he? What this man is doing? Yes, he is repairing a shoes. So, he is a cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. Means when our shoes are torn, he stitches our shoes and slippers. See the picture and tell me, who is she? How does she help us? She is a sweeper. A sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. So, we should not throw garbage here and there. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin so we can make our surrounding clean. In this way, we can help the sweeper. See the picture and tell me, who is he? Yes, you are right. He is a policeman. How does he help us? A policeman keeps us safe and catches people who do wrong. A policeman catches the thieves. He keeps us safe from bad people. See the picture and tell me, who is he? Yes, he is a watchman. How does a watchman help us? A watchman guards our neighborhood. Have you seen watchman in your colony? Yes, you have seen watchman in your colony. He takes round and round during night when we sleep. In this way, he keeps us safe. Now, see the picture. Tell me, who is he? Who stitches your clothes? Yes, he is a tailor. How does he help us? You all like to wear new clothes. So, a tailor stitches our clothes. Today we have seen that we cannot do everything on our own. Many people help us in our daily life. So these people are teacher, doctor, barber, milkman, gardener, sweeper and watchman, postman, cobbler, policeman, tailor and soldier. These people are very important in our lives, so we should always respect them. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.